that. Just like that. Now put it back. That's good enough. Then you're gonna take it and you're gonna rip it down this way. Rip it down this way. Straight down that way. Got it? Now you're gonna take and you're gonna fold it some. You're gonna give it a fold this way, and a fold this way, and a fold this way, and a fold this way. You're gonna fold it up real tiny, just like this. And you're gonna take and give it a squeeze. Give it a real good squeeze right into the audience with it. Squeeze where the audience can see. You gotta squeeze, squeeze, and real weird. You got it all crumbled up in your hand, right? Now all you gotta do is give it a blow. Give it another blow. And then take it, open it up like this. Open up the pieces. And let the pieces seal themselves back together.
Whoa! Huh.
You know it's wrong to live. Hold on.